Hello all and welcome to my channel Maths Magic. Today we are going to study Standard 9 Polynomials chapter. In Polynomials we are going to see what is factorization of polynomials using factor theorem. What is factor theorem? Let us see. Factor theorem states if p of x is a polynomial, of course the polynomial should have degree greater than 1 or equal to 1. Otherwise we all know it would just become a constant and not a polynomial. So p of x is a polynomial with degree greater than or equal to 1. Then x minus a is a factor if p of a is 0. Now what does factor theorem say? X minus a is a factor if p of a is 0. That means I can say x minus a is factor when I substitute the value a in place of x. Now observe the difference here. The factor is x minus a, but we substitute a. So negative becomes positive, and if it is positive here like x plus a, then we substitute negative value here, that is p of minus a. So when I get p of a 0, I can say that x minus a is a factor. Or it can be vice versa also. I can say that p of a is 0 if x minus a is factor. So if it is given to us that x minus a is a factor of the polynomial, then we can safely say with the help of factor theorem that p of a is 0. To do this, let us take an example. Example, check if x plus 2 is a factor of x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6. So here, what is the polynomial? Polynomial is x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6. Now in this case, if I have to check x plus 2 is a factor or not, I'll have to substitute the negative value of this in place of x. That is, I'll have to substitute p of minus 2. I have to find out if p of minus 2 is 0 or not. If p of minus 2 is 0, then we can say that x plus 2 is a factor of p of x. Okay. So let us see. But one more question. Why did we take p of minus 2 and not p of 2? Remember, I had told you here that if x minus a is a factor, then we substitute p of a. That is, we take the negative of the factor given. So instead of taking p of 2, we have taken negative of the factor, that is p of minus 2. So what we are going to do? We are going to substitute minus 2 in place of x. So here p of x is x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6, and we substitute minus 2 in place of x. So minus 2 cube plus 3 coefficient as it is, minus 2 in place of x, and remaining all the numbers and degrees as it is. Then we will simplify it. Remember, the cube of any negative number is always negative. So minus 2 cube will be minus 8, and square of any number, negative number, is positive. Minus 2 square will be plus 4. 5 multiplied by minus 2 will give me minus 10 and plus 6 as it is. Now let's simplify. Minus 8 as it is, plus 3 multiplied by plus 4 is plus 12, and this becomes minus 10 and this plus 6 as it is. Let's club them as per our convenience. You can take any two terms and find out the result. I have taken minus 8 plus 12, which gives me 12 minus 8, that is plus 4. And minus 10 plus 6, which is nothing but 6 minus 10, that is minus 4. So 4 minus 4 gives me 0. So what have we observed? That p of minus 2 is 0. So what does our factor theorem say? If p of a is 0, then x minus a is a factor. हमें क्या मिला है? What have we got? p of minus 2 is 0. That means the negative of this number is a factor. That is, x plus 2 is a factor of p of x. I hope you have understood the concept clearly. If you wish to know more about this, or if you have any queries, please do write in the comments and wait for the next video. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.